Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will guide you through the process of how you can sign in into the online banking account of Berkshire Bank. Now, first of all, you need to open the browser and then on the search bar, you need to type in www.berkshirebank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Once you're at the bank web page, you can see there the login option. You click on login. Now here you type in your user ID and click on continue. Then you will need to provide your password after that and click on continue again. With this, you will be easily logged in into the Berkshire Online banking account of yours. This is how you can easily log in. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.